I'm Leo Laranjeira and welcome to my Operations Management Introductory course. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the operations performance objectives, which are five: quality, speed, dependability, flexibility, and costs. All of these five performance objectives have both external and internal influences. And internally, cost is influenced by all the other four performance objectives. So if we think about dependability, on the outside, we mean dependable delivery. On the inside is having reliable processes. If we think about the flexibility objective, we mean on the outside, frequently launching new products and services, having a wide variety of products and services, and adjusting volume and delivery to the client's needs. On the inside, it's our ability to change. Quality on the outside means having on specification products and services. On the inside, is having error-free processes. Speed on the outside means short delivery lead time. On the inside means having a fast throughput. And finally, cost. Cost on the outside means having low price, high margin, or both. On the inside, having high total productivity. And total productivity is influenced by all the other factors on dependability, flexibility, quality, and speed. So by having a faster throughput, reliable processes, more flexibility, ability to change, and error-free processes, you tend to have a higher total productivity, which impacts costs. Let's give some examples. Quality means having a consistent conformance to customers' expectations, and this is actually a major influence on the customer satisfaction or dissatisfaction. In a hospital, for example, quality can mean having the patients receiving the appropriate treatment, or just the treatment being carried out correctly, patients being consulted and kept informed, and staff being courteous, friendly, and helpful. For a bus company, it can mean that buses are clean and tidy, quiet, smoke-free, and that the timetable is accurate and easy to read, and staff are courteous, friendly, and helpful. For a car manufacturing plant, it can mean that all parts and assembly are made to specifications, and that the product is reliable, attractive, and blemish-free. For a supermarket, quality can mean that products are in good conditions, stores are clean and tidy, the decor is appropriate and attractive, and also that people are friendly and courteous. The speed component is the elapsed time between the customer requesting the products and receiving the products or service. And for a hospital, speed can be the time between requiring and receiving a treatment, or the times for receiving results, the test results. For a bus company, it can be the time between a customer setting out to a journey and reaching his or her destination. For a car manufacturing plant, it can be both delivering the vehicles to the dealers or delivering spare parts to service. In a supermarket, it can be both the total transaction time from arriving at the supermarket to leaving the supermarket, also to the immediate availability of goods, which also affects the speed, of course. Dependability is different from speed because dependability means doing things in time, exactly when they're needed, or at least when they are promised. So in a hospital, the dependability can mean that the proportion of the canceled appointment is kept to a minimum, or you keep the appointments to time, and test results are returned on time as promised. For a bus company, it can be keeping to the published timetable at all points on the route and having the constant availability of seats for the passengers. For a car manufacturing plant, it can mean on-time delivery of vehicles to dealers or parts to service centers. For the supermarket, it can be the predictability of opening hours, minimum proportion of stock out goods, keeping reasonable queuing times, and constant availability of parking lots. Then it comes flexibility. Flexibility is the ability to change the operation in some way. Customers usually demand 4 types of operations flexibility. One is products and service flexibility, the ability to introduce new products, and the mix flexibility, having a wide range of products and service. Volume flexibility, the ability to change the output level to produce different quantities of products and services over time as the demand fluctuates. And the delivery flexibility, which is the ability to change the timing and place of delivery. Flexibility to a hospital can mean the introduction of new types of treatment, a wide range of available treatments, ability to adjust to the number of patients as you have a demand surge, and the ability to reschedule appointments. For a bus company, it can mean the introduction of new routes, having a large number of locations served, the ability to adjust the frequency of services as demand patterns change, the ability to reschedule trips, for example. For a car manufacturing plant, flexibility can mean the introduction of new models, having a wide range of different models, the ability to adjust to demand surges, and also to reshape the manufacturing priorities if demand patterns change. In a supermarket, can be the introduction of new goods or promotions, having a wide assortment of goods, the ability to adjust to the demand surge as well, and the ability to obtain items in case they are stocked out. And finally, we have the cost. Cost is a universally attractive objective. Everybody wants to be low cost, but costs mean different things to different companies. The composition of costs is different. For example, in a supermarket, most of the cost is the materials that you buy, the products that you buy to put on the shelf. On the other hand, at a hospital, you have little inventory. Most of the cost is staff costs, personnel costs. In an automobile plant, you have some material, a lot of material, some staff costs, not at the same proportion as the hospital, but not as little as a supermarket. It's somewhere in between. So this was an overview of the 5 basic performance objectives. Here, I give you an extra material on which the students from the University of Warwick analyzed their nursery operations using exactly these 5 performance objectives that we have just seen. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to our next lesson, and thank you very much.